Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am on in different roof. I am on my roof right now, but on roof I am in a room. It is my puja room. This is my puja room. Today I have changed the location because of when I was trying to record, my sister entered in the room and she slept there, and she was just checking her phone and everything. I was not feeling comfortable to speak there, so I just came onto the room on roof, and on the roof there is so many, the harsh air is blowing, so nice. And if I'm going to sit there in the out, my phone is going to sec a little bit, so I just prefer to sit in a room. Instead of sitting on the roof, I prefer to sit in the room. So this has all happened, and today is the, let me tell you that today is the 20th day of recording myself. And today I don't want to record myself because I have not studied anything today, but I thought I'm not going to break the continuity, I'm not going to break the consistency which I'm maintaining from so far. So I just read the chapter just before 5 minutes, and now I am going to explain the chapter. And without any further ado, let's jump into the video. And today I am going to explain the chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is The Humans. So if I will forget anything, I will just look at the book for some time, and if I just get everything in my mind, then I will just stop. I will not see the book. So let's start the chapter. So once upon a time, there was a girl whose name is Nebula, and she is not from Earth. She was from the other planet where only few peoples used to live. There is no more peoples on that Earth, on that other planet. There was only few people used to live there, and the planet known is the name of the planet on which Nebula used to live, and that name of the planet is Globed. Globed. Yes, the name of the planet where Nebula used to live is Globed. So, and and other people were not aware of that planet. They don't know the existence of the Globed. So one day, Nebula thought of visiting to other planet, and she have never been to the other planet before. So this was the first time she decided to went on other planet, and she wanted to visit other planet and want to see what other planet have. So she decided to came on Earth. She decided to visit on Earth. So she was knowing that there is large number of people, large population exist on the Earth. So she had decided to came on Earth, planet Earth. She without wasting any time, she packed her bag and whatever. She got ready for the trip, and and this was the first time she was going along alone somewhere, and on the other planet she was going for the first time to visit some other planet all alone. Means there is nobody going to visit with her on the other planet like Earth. So she, once she landed on the Earth, she got to know that there is so different types of people around her, and she look at the people. They were different. Everyone were different from each other. seen the various varieties of people, and they all the peoples were different from each other. So she said that the first country in which she landed, Nebula landed, was America. So she asked a man in America, "Who are you?" Nebula asked. Then the man replied, "I am an American. I am an American." He asked that, "Are you a human?" And she got confused, and she became angry that why they are thinking that I am not a human. I am also human. According to her, she was human. And the man didn't see that type of people who was a different, all alone. She was a different attire. She was in different attires. The person who lived on the globe, they were totally different from the species which are found on the earth. On our earth, they were different, and they were looking like a Nebula. Similarly, she was looking similar to aliens. So the man asked, "Are you a human?" She got angry, and she just asked, why do you don't you think I am a human? I am a human too. And so the man asked, "Okay, ma'am, that's I'm so sorry for that, for asking. If you get offended, I'm so sorry for that." So the man said, "I am an American, and he noticed so many appearance. They in the body of they were different in color, they were different in traits, different size of different everything different, eye color, skin color, and they all have different appearance. But the common in all the people felt that they have only one head, two eyes, one nose, 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 legs. They noticed all the things in similar. These are the similarities she found on the humans which are found on the earth. And when after that she visit to 5 countries: Indonesia, China, and some places. I will just let me check. She went to the British, China, Japan, Africa, Indonesia, and she asked everyone that, "Who are you?" All the people said her. Some of them said her, "I'm Chinese, I'm Indonesians, I'm a British," and these are the way that human described herself to himself to the Nebula. She got confused, and once she landed on the earth, oh my god, can you feel it? The door is going to bang the front of the frame of the gate, but I have put something there to stop it. Let it be. Now let's move to the. After exploring so much of countries, 5 countries, the Nebula landed on the India, the country called India. So one day the Nebula was passing through the street of a village. She saw lots of light coming from some places to an area. She just followed the light, and once she reached the area where so many lights are decorated, she got stunned. She got shocked by seeing the decorations, beautiful decoration which has happened at that village. She got to know that there is a ring ceremony, means engagement ceremony was going in that house. And she saw so many people were gathered at a place, and they were celebrating they were just enjoying the engagement ceremony. She was thrilled to see that every neighbors came to the house, and they were just getting participating in the happiness of other people. She got thrilled and she felt very nice about it, and she saw the unity in the people, that they are just happy in anybody else happiness. So she felt happy about that. And when some of them took look at the nebula, they called her inside to join the ceremony. And she also joined the engagement ceremony, and she was happy, and she didn't feel anything bad there, that someone is saying that asking her anything. They don't ask anything from her, and she was happy there, that nobody asked her anything and nobody judged her. She was happy about that. After some time, after few days, she returned to her own planet, globed. Let me tell you that I am getting some fumbles by saying globed. So the globed was her country where she came from. Globed planet to planet Earth. So she returned to her own planet, globed. And she gathered people and talked about the humans which she found on earth, and she talked about the unity which they have. She talked to the people about the unity she found on the earth between the peoples. She said, in spite of they appears different from each other, they have not in universal language, they did not know my language, they all have participated to me, and they have all have treated me well. And one thing that keep them together is the unity they have. So this was the story, the humans, and I find it pretty nice. But I think it is totally an imaginary story. It is a fictional story, and I like it. So there is some keywords here: word gallery, traveling, visiting to a various place or destination. Discovered means founding something. Humans, the whole population of living people on the earth. Scenarios or situation. Touched, the feeling of sense of happiness. She got touched when she saw the gatherings of peoples, and all the peoples were happy in others' happiness. She felt touched that time. So universal language, or language that is used and understood by everyone or everywhere. Species, a particular group or type of living beings, or just speaking to gathering or group of people. Gathering, meeting or get together. Research, trying to find out. So these were the word gallery which I found in this chapter. And so that's all for today's. I trust me, I was just not in the frame of mind that I will make video today, but I did that because I just don't want to break the continuity which I'm maintaining from so long. Not so long, but it's for me it is long period. So today is the 20th day, and I feel good about it. And this is my puja room. Can you see this? Let me show you. So this is my puja room. You can see so many goddess and god we have in our home. So this is my puja room, and here is a big frame of Lord Mahavir, and this is what I'm talking about. There is so many And look at it's all ready. It's going to be 3 o'clock or 3:30 o'clock, and there is too much sun, harsh rays of sun over here. And this is my roof, and it is small, I know that, but this is my roof. And these are the paintings which I made in during the Deepavali, and these are still nice. Look at this looks very nice. And that's all for today's video. Now I am going to end the session right here. So thanks for watching my video. Goodbye. Bye bye.